Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Settings because the system controls app sounds. Open Settings, tap Notifications, then find and select the app you want to change. Make sure Allow Notifications is enabled. Without it, you cannot set a sound. Once done, look for the sound or alert tone option in that app's notification panel. This is the first actionable step. Access the app-specific settings where iOS exposes the sound choice so you can pick or replace the tone. Now choose the actual tone. Tap Sound or Alert Tone to open the list of available tones and play previews so you hear how each will behave. If the tone you want isn't listed, add a custom one. Either import an M4R through Files or create and export a ringtone using GarageBand, then copy it to your device. Once you pick or add the tone, iOS links that sound to this app's notifications, so future alerts will use your selection immediately. Finish by testing. Trigger a notification from the app or ask someone to send one so you can confirm the new sound works. Make sure the app's notification style still allows sounds and that focus or do not disturb isn't muting alerts. If the custom tone doesn't appear, restart your iPhone and check that the file format is compatible, M4R, and installed properly. If problems persist, remove and re-add the tone or reinstall the app as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.